Hello friends, I am Padmaja Ghatge. This video is second part of the story of tea from my course book standard 9th. In this video, I am going to explain a warming up activity, an English workshop and margin questions. Okay, so let's start with warming up activity. Warming up activity. Warming up activity. Okay, chit chat question. See, can you make tea? Answer: yes, I can make tea. How do you make tea? I make tea by adding sugar, tea powder and milk in the water and boil it. What brand do you like? I like Brook brand red label tea. You can add here, you can write their society or any brand. Okay. At home, who makes tea or coffee for everybody? My mother makes tea for everyone. Okay. Here you should mention your grandmother, your brother, your father, anyone. Okay. Have you seen a tea plantation? What was it like? Yes, I have seen tea plantation. It like a small herbs. Write as many beverages you can within 2 minutes. Beverages म्हणजे पेय लिहायचे. जेवढी तुम्हाला 2 मिनिटात सुचतील ना तेवढी पेयांची नावं लिहायची. Some are given here. Beverages are tea, milk, lassi, coffee, juice, etc. Okay. Next, form pairs and write the process of making tea in step by step manner. Take a cup full water in a vessel. Add 2 spoons sugar, a spoon tea powder and boil. When the mixture boil, add half cup milk. Boil again and pour it with strainer in a cup and drink it hot. What do the following beverages remind you of? Complete the following waves to show your association with the beverages. तुम्हाला तिथं वेब डायग्राम दिलेला आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये पॉईंट दिलेले आहेत, त्याला अनुसरून ते पॉईंट्स लिहायचे, त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड वर्ड्स लिहायचे. काय करायचे? रिलेटेड वर्ड्स. टी म्हटल्यानंतर आपल्याला कुठले पदार्थ आठवतात ते तुम्ही आठवायचं आणि लिहायचं. टी, मॉर्निंग, इव्हिनिंग, बिस्किट, ब्रेकफास्ट. कॉफी, मग, मिल्क, कोल्ड, हॉट, टेस्ट. लाइम ज्यूस, कोल्ड, फ्रेशनेस, समर, ग्लास. लस्सी, कोल्ड, स्वीट, समर, थिक. कोकोनट वाटर, प्लेजंट, freshness, sweet, healthy. Milk, biscuit, coffee, cream. Okay, you can add your own. Now, English workshop 1.4. List all the names of geographical places mentioned in the passage. Tropical and subtropical area: Assam, China, Cambodia, Darjeeling in northeast India, eastern India, Nilgiris in south India, Japan, Turk, Mongolia, Bhutan, England, Russia, Korea and Vietnam. Okay. Next, make a smaller words using the letters in the given words. At least 5 words आहेत. ह्याच्यामधले छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स तुम्ही शोधायचे आहेत. किती लिहायचे? 5 लिहायचे आहेत आणि ते वर्ड्स जनरली मोर दॅन 3 लेटर्स. ओके. ॲक्च्युली, ॲक्ट, कॅट, ऑल, ॲक्च्युअल, टॉल. रिफ्रेशिंग, फ्रेश, रिफ्रेश, फिश, rapper, sing. Immediately, ate, tea, made, mat, eat. Investigations, invest, get, nest, not. Meditation, mad, eat, tea, dot, made. Enjoyable, joy, able, boy, band, enjoy. Loneliness, less, lion, loss, lie, one. Friendship, sheep, end, pain, sane, send. Okay. Third number. From the passage, copy correctly any 3 sentences that begin with how. How ने सुरू होणारे पॅसेज मधले त्या धड्यातले कुठलेही 3 वाक्य लिहायचे. How and when did people first begin to drink tea? How did the magical beverage get its name? How did tea first came to India? Next. Find the meaning of following from a good dictionary. अर्थ शोधायचे यांच्यातले. इन्फ्युजन, ॲक्ट ऑफ इन्फ्युजिंग म्हणजे अर्क उतरतो ना त्या ह्याच्यामध्ये चहामध्ये, दॅट इज ॲक्ट ऑफ इन्फ्युजिंग. रिस्टोरेटिव्ह, एबल टू ब्रिंग बॅक हेल्थ म्हणजे निरोगी किंवा आरोग्य जपून ठेवणे किंवा पुन्हा आरोग्यदायी बनवणं. इन्स्क्रिप्शन, समथिंग इन्स्क्राईब म्हणजे काहीतरी कोरून ठेवलेलं, कोरीव. रॅडिकल्स, फंडामेंटल. Connoisseurs mean expert judges, expert तज्ञ. Complete the following sentences with the help of the passage. Camellia sinensis is an evergreen plant that grows in tropical and subtropical climates. The teas we buy are usually classified according to their leaf size. In many countries around the world, tea drinking is an important social occasion. D. Our body produces chemicals called radicals. Okay. Next, list the words from the passage related to agriculture and chemistry. Agriculture related कुठले आहेत? Leaves, soil, birds, tropical and subtropical, climate, leaf, herb, cardamom, clove, maize. Okay, chemistry radicals, antioxidants. Okay, next, prepare a flow chart to show the growth and journey of tea from the plantation to our homes. Use information from the lesson. Plantation, plant matured, leaves picked, leaves processed, sold to us. Now margin questions. How is tea the beverage made? Answer. Tea is made by brewing, that is by infusing in boiling water the leaves and shoots of plant Camellia sinensis. How is tea that is packed and sold to us made? The leaves and shoots of a tea plant are picked. They are at first dried, cured and processed and sold to us. What does tea contain and what does it not contain? The tea contains theanine and caffeine. It does not contain carbohydrates, fats or proteins. Where are tea estates located? Many of the world's best tea estates are located on hill slopes of elevations of up to 1500 meters. It is said that the tea plants grow slowly and acquire a richer flavor at this height. Why are tea plants pruned? The tea plants are pruned and kept at a height of about 3 feet to enable easy plucking of the leaves. What are botanical names? How are they decided? The botanical name is a scientific name of a plant that is accepted worldwide. This name is decided by its similar characteristic. Who was Emperor Shennong? Emperor Shennong was the father of Chinese agriculture and medicine. Why did he carry out further investigations about tea? The emperor was excited by the unknown plant and its amazing flavor, so he carried out further investigations. What is the difference between legends or stories and history? There is difference between legends and stories. Legends are told by the people from ancient times. They may not be real stories, may be real or imaginary and written by someone. They may be based on historical incidents. History is based on real facts or sound proofs, written proofs, monuments and so many other things. 10. Can you guess the origin of the Marathi word chaha? The word cha, ch, is used in English to refer to China tea. The word is very close to Hindi word chai and it became cha in Marathi. What is the difference between claim and fact? These two words do not mean one and the same. The word claim may not have sound proof, but fact has sound proofs. They must be written or engraved. Do you have any ceremonies associated with food items? We have many festivals and ceremonies, but they are not directly related to food items. On many occasions in India, many delicacies are prepared. Puran puri, modak, ladus and many sweets are prepared on these occasions. What are the good qualities of tea? Some people say that tea is a healthy, enjoyable and stimulating drink full of good qualities. It reduces loneliness and claims your heart is a comfort in everyday life. Why are the cups only half filled in Chinese tea ceremonies? The cups are only half filled in Chinese tea ceremonies because they believe that the rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection. So here I have completed margin questions. Now language study. From the passage, find all the words or pairs of words that begin with T. Examples: teapot, tea plants. See, teapot, tea plants, tea estates, tea gardens, tea growing regions, tea shrubs, tea seeds, tea whisking methods, tea tasting, tea making, tea club, tea ceremony, tea kettle. Students, here you notice that these words are called as a compound words. Two words join together and form new another word that time that words are compound words. So all these words are known as compound words. Okay. Now next is underline the infinitive in the following sentence. It was funny to read words that stood still. To read. Can I read the book? Read. To be or not to be, that is the question. To be. They could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Help. Okay. So here we have completed, I have completed warming up activity as well as English workshop and margin questions and language study. I hope you will better understand all these topics. Okay. Thank you.